In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a link from OneDrive. Sharing from OneDrive is a quick way to let others see or collaborate on your files without sending large attachments. We'll keep it simple and make sure you understand what each option means so you choose the right level of access every time. First, open OneDrive in your browser. Once OneDrive loads, navigate to the file or folder you want to share. Take a quick moment to confirm it's the correct item, especially if you have similar file names, so you don't share the wrong content by mistake. Next, right-click the file or folder. If you're on a trackpad or a touch device, a two-finger click or a press and hold works the same way. This opens a menu with several actions. Choose Share. That brings up the sharing panel, which is where you set exactly how others can access your content. Now, set the permission. Decide whether people should view or edit. Choose View when you want recipients to read, download, or comment without changing anything. This is ideal for finalized documents, PDFs, images, or anything you don't want modified. Choose Edit when you want true collaboration. Recipients will be able to change the file and their updates will save back to your OneDrive. If you're unsure, start with View. You can always update the permission later. Then choose who can use the link. Anyone with the link or specific people. Anyone with the link is the most flexible and easiest for broad sharing. Anyone who receives the link can open it, even if they're outside your organization. So only use this when the content isn't sensitive. Specific people is more controlled. It limits access to only the individuals you designate, which helps protect confidential or internal materials. Pick the option that aligns with how widely you want the file to be accessible. When your permission and audience are set, click Copy Link. OneDrive will generate a shareable link and place it on your clipboard. That means it's ready to paste anywhere without any extra steps. Finally, share it anywhere. Paste the link into an email, a chat message, a project tracker, or a document. Add a short note so recipients know what the link is for and whether they can view or edit. That's it. Open OneDrive in your browser, right-click the item, click Share, set your permission and audience, click Copy Link, and share it wherever you need.